Today, we are going to learn about Python, a popular programming language. You've already touched on the basics, so now we'll go deeper, starting with conditional statements. Conditional statements control the flow of your program based on certain conditions. They let your code make decisions. In Python, the main conditional statements are if, else, and elif. An if statement checks a condition. If the condition is true, it executes a block of code. If the condition is true, the code block runs. If it's false, the code block is skipped. That's where the else statement comes in. It provides an alternative block of code if the if condition is false. So, if the condition is false, the else block runs. Elif stands for else if. It lets you check multiple conditions. After an if statement, you can have several elif statements. The first true conditions block of code runs. This way, you can handle multiple cases.
Can we have nested if statements?
Yes, you can nest if statements inside each other to check multiple conditions. Nested if statements allow for more complex decision-making.
What about logical operators?
Logical operators like and, or, and not help combine conditions. This block runs only if both conditions are true. Let's say we want to check if a person is eligible to vote. Here is the code for that. This code checks if the person is at least 18 years old and a citizen. If both are true, it prints, you can vote.
Got it.
This is it for today. I hope all the topics are clear. If you work hard and practice all these statements, you will be an expert in no time.